Hello, my friends. It's mail day again. Man, I am absolutely stunned with the generosity of my subscribers, and I just can't believe it. This one is, a lot of you guys might know who he is, and if not, you better go to his channel, and I'll stick it down there in the comments somewhere. His name's Jim, and his YouTube name is Not2fast4u2c, but it's not that long. It's like the 2 is a 2 and stuff like that. It's a lot of fun. So he does a couple of videos a week at least. One is Sunday in the Shop, and he is just a lot of fun. He got kind of a gravelly voice. Welcome to Sunday in the Shop. How's that, Jim? And so anyway, it's mail day. I don't know what's in here. I'm pretty excited about it. And he's actually a very generous man. He has sent stuff to a lot of different people on YouTube. So I feel kind of like I'm in a special group here, eh? So let's just cut this bad boy open and see what we got. He definitely wrapped it well. Is there one more across there? I think there is. Whoop. Hey, we don't need to get stitches now. In case of package loss, address is enclosed. Oh, that's cool. All right. A drill index. I am just going to put that right over on the underside of my drill press. This is like Christmas. Oh, it is Christmas. Well, now I feel kind of weird. I'm using my knife. What's this say? Single blade folding knife. But this is going to be smaller than the one I'm using right now, because I've been carrying this one around and I think it's been feeling a little heavy. Oh, man, that's nice. That's a better, this is a knockoff. This is not. Wow, okay. That's a nice knife. Okay, that's more like the kind of knife I want to carry in my pocket, because this one has a dead weight to it. It's more of a utility knife, but this one I'll carry with me every day, Jim. North America Fishing Club. Okay, I'm stunned. Oh, and I think he put an edge on that. Woohoo! Okay, I'm excited. Wow, man. Oh, Jim, what's this? Sometimes he makes tools and sharpens things. Oh, yes. So it's an old Fuller brush, probably a Phillips screwdriver that he has sharpened to a point. This is fun. Oh, man. Oh, can he... Now, I don't know if he knows this, but I collect coins, eh? 1964 50-cent piece in absolutely beautiful condition. Oh, and then an 86 Kennedy 50-cent piece. Jim, I don't even want to touch the edges on that. Look at that. So there's our queen from 1964. And she still is our monarch here in Canada. And then there's a Kennedy 50-cent piece, I believe it's a 50-cent piece. $50, yes. And the interesting thing about, okay, it's just a small thing. I collect coins, right? On American pieces, you see he's right side up there. You just turn him this way, and then it's right side up again, right? So you turn an American piece over this way to see the other side, and with a Canadian piece, you start this way, and the other side is not obverse, right? So with Canadian, to turn a Canadian coin over, you go this way. And to turn an American coin over, you flip it up and down. Like there's your eagle, and then there's John. Oh man, I'm just stoked here. What else we got in here? Ooh. All right, a 9/16 USA NDF 56. Oh man, you can't have enough of these laying around. And a little hook for something yet. I don't know what that's for yet. Maybe it's coming. The John Deere crescent wrench, and he knows I have John Deere. And he painted this on here. Isn't that something? What a guy. Or maybe it came that way, but I got a hunch that looks pretty fresh on there. And that is a really nice size crescent wrench because it probably opens to a 3/4. Let's just grab one here. Yep. So I don't have one of these. I got smaller and bigger, but I don't have one this size. So look at that. That opens to a 3/4. And so you put that in your useful bag, that one. Yeah. Better make sure there's nothing else. Ah, okay. I got it. I think that's it. I think this goes in here just like that. Okay, Jim. I know I mentioned I bought this new knife here, but I'm way more excited about this one. I see, he's just got his address in here. Oh, okay. I got your return address here, Jim. I won't show that. So there we are. Thank you I can't believe this. Okay, we'll move this stuff out of the way. Thanks, Jim. Not too fast for you to see. I'll put that link on in the comments. Man, that's nice. That's a good size to put in your pocket. I'm so happy. You know, and you make friends you haven't met, right? So, back up. Thanks, buddy. Don't know what to say. This is going on the wall somewhere. Bye.